Is there someone in your life you consider as a lifelong friend? Are you sure that no matter what, they'll be there for you? So here are 5 signs that you've made a lifelong friend. Number 1, you confide in them. If you shared your confidences and all of your secrets are safe with someone, it means you trust your friend. You believe that you won't be judged. It's a good sign that you've made a lifelong friend. Number 2, you feel safe around them. You feel comfortable around them. You never hide parts of who you are. This is all about emotional comfort and safety. You know they won't judge you. It's important that both people listen to each other with a non-judgmental mind. Number 3, they inspire you. Your friends make the best version of yourself. Secure, long-lasting friendship can change your perspective and remove some of negative thinking patterns. Number 4, they respect your boundaries. Boundaries are crucial in friendship. Friends should let you grow as an individual. If there's something you don't want to talk about, a lifelong friend will accept it and continue to emotionally support you. Number 5, you feel valued and supported. Ups and downs are part of life. Lifelong friends will be there for you when you're down. They care about you through their words and actions. This is very essential because being valued is known to contribute to your happiness as an individual. They'll call you to check in on you, they show up on time. And when they're with you, they will give you full attention. So there are 5 signs that you've made a lifelong friend. Have you made anyone?